Hello friends, today we will see Demarco's approach. It's very simple approach which is suggested by Demarco. Demarco produced a functionality measure founded on his structured analysis and design notation. These Bang metrics include two measures, function strong and data strong. Bang may be defined formally and its computation can be automated within case tools that support the methodology. Case is nothing but the computer aided software engineering. Structured analysis and structure design, that is SASD, is a diagrammatic notation which is designed to help people understand the system. तो DeMarco मॉडल जो है ये इट इज़ नथिंग बट द डायग्रामेटिक नोटेशन ऑफ द डिज़ाइनिंग. तो ये DeMarco ने क्या सजेस्ट किया है कि जो आप DFD निकालते हो, दैट इज़ डेटा फ्लो डायग्राम, so that is suggested by Demarco, and this we are going to discuss in Demarco's. The basic goal of SASD, that is structured analysis and structure design, is to improve quality and reduce the risk of system failure. So जो आप डायग्राम निकालेंगे DFD की, तो वो DFD डायग्राम जितनी आपकी करेक्ट होगी उतना आपका जो रिस्क होगा वो कम होगा एंड सिस्टम फेलियर भी कम होगा. It establishes concrete management specification and documentation. It focuses on solidity, pliability and maintainability of the system. Basically, the approach of SASD is based on the data flow diagram. Requirement specification are constructed using data flow diagram. So to show the process input and outputs, we draw the data flow diagrams. Data dictionary that contains the definition of inputs, outputs and intermediate data together with accuracy, units of measure, range, etc. Structured language to describe functional primitives using concise set of items that enhances clarity and understanding, also may include equation, tables, charts and programs. And decision table and or trees to clearly indicate the decision processing when language becomes too convoluted or difficult to follow. So these are the requirement specification, and in the requirement specification you have to give this specification: data flow diagram, data dictionary, structured language and decision table, so that the system failure get reduced. Now what exactly function strong is? The function bank measure is founded on the number of functional primitives, that is activities, the number of lowest level bubbles in a data flow diagram. So function point is nothing but the number of functional primitives. Function strong, so function bank measure is founded on the number of functional primitives, that is जो आप DFD में जो circles निकालते हो, that the basic function primitives count is weighted based on the kind of functional primitive and the number of data tokens used in the primitives. Function strong, the function bank measure is founded on the number of functional primitives in the data flow diagram. जो आप सर्कल निकालते हो प्रोसेस के लिए DFD निकालते वक्त, so that is the foundation for function bank. The basic function primitive count is weighted based on the kind of functional primitive and the number of data tokens used in the primitive. Then data strong, the data bank measure is founded on the number of entities in the entity relationship model. So in the function strong we have discussed that the function bank measure is founded on the number of functional primitives, that is number of bubbles, and in data strong it is founded on the number of entities in entity relationship model. The basic entity count is weighted according to the number of association involving each entity. Association is nothing but the relation with another entities. This can be easily adopted for structured analysis technique. So that's all about Demarco's approach. Thank you for listening.